Hello students, I am Kinjal Parmar. Welcome back to the video lecture series of microprocessor and microcontroller. Today we will discuss RTC interfacing with AVR. So let's start with what is RTC. So RTC is a real-time clock widely used device that provides accurate time and date information for many applications. Many systems such as 86 PC comes with such a chips on a motherboard. The RTC chip in a 86 PC, that means a processor, provides a time components of hours, minutes and the second, in addition to date, calendar components, year, month and date. So RTC provides a processor, hour, minutes, seconds and also year, month and day. So this RTC is used. This is a RTC DS1307. So this is a basic pin diagram of DS1307 RTC. It has a total 8 pin: X1, X2, VBAT, ground, VCC, SQW/out, SCL, SDA. So let's discuss pin of this RTC. RTC has a first pin, that is X1 and X2. So these are input pins that allows the DS1307 connection to external crystal oscillator to provide the clock source to the chip. Then VBAT pin 3 can be connected to external plus 3 volt lithium battery, thereby providing the power sources to the chip when the external supply voltage is not available. Then ground pin 4 is a ground. Then next pin is a SDA. Pin 5 is a SDA and it must be connected to SDA line of a I2C bus, that is for data transfer. Okay, then SCL. So pin 6 is the SCL pins and it must be connected to the SCL line of a I2C bus. And SQW and out. Pin 7 is the output pin providing 1 kHz, 4 kHz, 8 kHz or 30 kHz frequencies if enabled. Then VCC pin 8 is used for primary voltage supply to the chip. This primary voltage source is basically of a plus 5 volt. So here this in RTC can be interfaced with AVR like this. These pins are connected with AVR like this. So AVR has a I2C protocol. So I2C protocols can be connected like this: SCL, SCL pin, SDA pins, and X1 and X2 are connected with the this frequency. VBAT and grounds are connected like this, and VCC is connected with plus 5 volt power supply, and this SQW/output is connected to the logic 1. So this is how RTC can be interfaced with the AVR for a day, time, month programming. So here this DS1307 RTC has a one control register for controlling the bits. So here these bits are out 00, SQWE 00, RS1, RS0. So out, that means output control. So if a square wave output is disabled, setting the out bit, so 1 will make the SQW/out pin low and the clearing out bit to 0 will make the SQW out pin high. Then next is the SQWE. So square wave enable. If this bit is set high, the oscillator output is enabled, otherwise it is disabled. Then RS1, RS0. This is rate select. This bit selects the output frequency of the oscillator output according to this table. If 00, so 1 Hz, 01, then 4.096 kHz, 10, so 8.192 kHz, and if 11, then 32.768 kHz. So to define a rate, we can use this RS bit of a DS130. Now here there is example that setting a date in a assembly. So this is the program to set date in a assembly. assembly. So initialize the stack, then transmit a start conditions, then send a data. So here we have a call I2C start function, then call I2C send functions, then send a data like this, okay, and generate this control registers, set a control register is equals to 0, then transmit a data from register to I2C and then stop conditions. Now call the delays, again start the conditions, then set dates, and here these conditions are written like this, then send a register pointer to 4, then transmit data of R19 to I2C bus protocols, and here this number is converted, here 10 BCD number is used, so it will be written like this, okay, and then this stop conditions are over there. Now each and every functions like I2C start, I2C send, then I2C stops, these all are the defined over here, so these functions are defined. So these all are the I2C call functions. Using these call functions, I2C can initialize and start, stops, and then it will be used to setting a date in a assembly. Same things can be done in a C like this. So we can set a time in a C like this by calling initializing these conditions and then loading the values, and then by writing conditions in a I2C, initializations, then start and write the functions. So this is how we can set a time in a C using RTC through AVR microcontroller. Thank you.